Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Neng Wilda. You can call me Wilda. Here I will explain the PowerPoint that I have made. That is about procedure text. Procedure text. The first discussion is definition of procedure text. The second is generic structure of procedure text. The third is purpose of procedure text. The fourth is language feature of procedure text. And the last, example. The first is definition of procedure text. What is the definition of procedure text? There are three definitions about procedure text. The first, text that explain how something works or how to use, introduce, or operation manuals. For example, how to use the video, the computer, the tape recorder, the photocopier, the fax. The second is text that introduce how to do a particular activity. For example, recipe, rules for games, science experiment, and road safety rules. And the last is text that deal with human behavior. For example, how to live happily and how to succeed. The second is generic structure of procedure text. What is the generic structure of procedure text? The first is goal, the second is material or ingredients, and the last step. The third is purpose of procedure text. What is the purpose of procedure text? The first is to explain or tell the reader how to make or operate or do something through a sequence of action or steps. The last is to explain step or introduce to make or operate and do something. Fourth is language feature of procedure text. What is language feature of procedure text? The first is use adverbial of sequence or using temporal conjunction, for example, first, second, third, and the last. The second is use command or imperative sentence, for example, put the noodles on the, cut the onion, and wash the tomato. The third is using adverbial adverbs to express detail, the time, place, manner, accurate, for example, for 5 minutes and 2 hours. The fourth is using action adverbs, for example, make, take, boil, and cook. And the last is using simple present tense. And the last is example, how to make sandwich. The first is, what is definition sandwich? The second is ingredient and tools. And the last is how to make. What is sandwich? Sandwiches or sandwich are food in the form of 2 slices of bread that's squid meat, vegetable, cheese or other, and are usually given spicy or sauce so that they taste bitter. Various types of bread can be used for sandwich, and depending on the context, the surface of the bread is usually smeared with a little mayonnaise, butter, margarine, or olive oil, which acts as an adhesive and flavor enhancer. Ingredients: 2 slices of bread, cheddar cheese, chili sauce, beef sausage that has been cut, fried egg, tomato, celery, and cucumber. Tools, knife, and plate. How to make. First, place a slice of bread on the plate. Second, put the chili sauce. Third, add tomato, cheddar cheese, beef sausage, and fried egg. After that, add chili sauce. Then, Put a slice of bread on the top and cut into triangle shape. Garnish with cucumber and celery. Finally, serve it. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.